Hi everyone. In this video, I want to cover how to enroll a touchscreen keypad into the Pro A7 Plus panel. The Wi-Fi touchscreen keypad comes packaged with the keypad, a battery, and a power supply. The keypad can be mounted on a wall with the optional wall mount kit or used on a stand. For the purpose of this video, we will use the integrated stand. To begin installation, turn the keypad over. Flip up the desk stand to expose the battery cover. Remove the battery cover and insert the battery. Please note the orientation of the 4 pins inside the battery bay and the 4 contacts on the battery. After inserting the battery, you can replace the battery cover. Now, we can connect the power supply and power up the keypad. After the keypad goes through its boot sequence, you will be asked to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. This will be the same network that your Pro A7 Plus panel is connected to. Using the Wi-Fi network selection, the keypad will scan for available networks in the area, and you can select the desired network, then type in the password. If you are connecting to a hidden network, you can use Add Network manually and type in both the SSID and password. After all entries are completed, tap Connect. After connecting to the local Wi-Fi network, the keypad will search for the panel's IP address. After acquiring the panel's IP address, confirm enrollment by entering the installer code or master user code on the touchscreen keypad. You can now arm and disarm the system from the touchscreen keypad. Congratulations! You have successfully paired a wireless touchscreen keypad to the Pro A7 Plus. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.